Let's go straight to installing PostgreSQL on your system. Open your web browser and visit the official PostgreSQL website, postgresql.org. Click Download and select your operating system. I'll be using Windows for this guide. Choose Download the installer and select the Windows X 64-bit version. Wait for the download to finish, then double-click the installer file. Run the installer, follow the installation prompts, just like I'm doing now. Create a secure password for your PostgreSQL account. Click Next and select your preferred language. I'm choosing English. Wait for the installation to finish. That's it. PostgreSQL is now ready to use. Like and subscribe for more guides.